Hey everyone, so I just got my Baker Creek seed order for the year in, and I thought you guys might like to see what I got. So I'll show you. So this is their really cute packaging here. They always have such cute little art on it. So that's a fun little treat that the packages come with here. So pull it open. Oh, smiles, you got seeds. I sure did today. Needed that. So it looks like this is a little different than the last time we got it. So they have them packaged in little sleeves. That's adorable. And the receipt there. Alright. Little card. Hi, thanks for letting me be part of your journey. It's been a pleasure to pack your order. May your garden grow beautifully. Cute. Happy growing. All right, so here's the seeds that I ordered. I got a pink paper daisy. So this is kind of like a straw flower, and daisies are actually definitely one of my top favorite flowers, and I don't really grow a whole lot of them, which I would like to change this year. So I got these here. Oh, got a free spoon tomato seed. I actually thought about growing this one because it looked really fun. So we'll have to grow a couple of those this year now. Stocks. So there's a couple of different varieties of stock. Well, there's a lot of different varieties of stock, but there's two main growth habit types. So this one is what's called sprays. So it has multiple branches on it. Most stock is just going to literally grow one flower stock and you cut it down and that's it, which is not a very good use of space in a residential cut flower garden. So I have a couple of these, which I'm super excited to find these. And this color is vibrant. I also got this Black Magic Cosmos seed, which is a chocolate cosmos, and they grow little tubers. So there's only like 4 seeds in here, and they were pretty expensive. So I'm hoping I have luck with those. They're pretty rare, so I'm excited about that. Oh, for another free seed. So we got some lettuce. That looks good. Let's grow that one. Here was another of the same style stocks. So this one is just like a pinkish color, which is really pretty and goes with a lot of the things that I already grow. These little sleeves are so cute. All right, another stock. So this one is more like a champagne or apricot color, which I really like that. That's really cute. And I know my mom is going to want some of those too. We got some hyssop, and I was actually looking for this as just a potted perennial, and I saw these seeds, so I'll just grow it myself and save some money. So I got some of those to start, and we'll have to see. I'll do some research on this. Some of my perennials I might be starting in January, so stay tuned for that. Another color of straw flower. These are some of my favorite flowers in the garden too because they dry super vibrant and also make good cut flowers. So lots of uses for these. And then we have celery. I've never grown celery, so that will be my new vegetable for the year. And the seeds actually smell like celery. I can smell them right now. That's pretty funny. So I'm excited about that. Another color of Gomphrena. So this Gomphrena, I believe, is more of the taller variety. I got some last year that were like a QIS variety, and they only grew like 2 feet tall, and it was super hard to harvest them for cut flowers. They were adorable, but not quite what I was looking for. So I'm hoping these suit the bill a little bit more. And then the last one is another perennial. So then this one is a pearl yarrow. So it is a double yarrow and looks quite a bit different. Bigger florets than the normal ones that you see. So I'm excited about that as well. So, and that's it. So thanks for joining and take care.